Did you put the 1 billion in there?
Can you hear me? Okay, so I said we're gonna get 2 properties in London, central London, please. And the one I saw the other time said it was for £800,000. Yeah, please give them in cash. Call my accountant and they'll settle all of that for you. And also, please book me a first flight ticket to America. Alright, no problem. Take care of yourself.
Hello? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just heading to another flight in Dubai. But I just got a text saying something went wrong with the transaction. It's not possible. My CFO confirmed that the £30 million was sorted out. Stop joking. Of course. Good. They're all sorted. They're all but 21 or nothing. Yeah, for all the ladies, they're going to have good packages each. Joe, call the driver. Tell him to get ready when I land. I'm catching my flight in 5 minutes. And please confirm the transaction. Okay? See you, girl.
Hello? Yeah, I saw the cyber truck. Oh, that's not my type, you know? I love it in pink. Yeah. Alright, meet me in Monaco tomorrow. I'm late for Texas right now. $30,000? Cheap.
Hello? I've just got here and they're saying that they haven't received the 10 billion each. Sorry? Excuse me? You see, my flight is in 2 minutes. Yes, I'm in America. I'm going to Monaco today. Tomorrow is Dubai. Okay, send the 10 million each to them. I don't have time. Hey. Hello, babe. That money you sent me for my wig is not enough. I just need, like, you know what, 20k more. And then I told you that Chanel bag, I wanted Gucci. I'm not asking for too much. Am I not a fine girl? Of course, I'm a fine babe, I know. Anyway, thank you. You're the best.
Where's my private jet, please? Is it on the terminal now? Yeah, I need to fly to Miami now. Oh, did you put the 1 billion in there? The $1 billion? No. What? Are you okay? Get the money there now in my private jet, quickly. And then for the car, for the jet, I need to travel to Miami, Dubai, and I think I need to go to Italy too. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Ruben. Yeah, so we just got another client now, so they just onboarded, and they have an event for 2,000 guests, and we have to cater for drinks for them, unlimited drinks for them. So you know what that means, all hands on deck. We only have 1 month to plan, and they're looking at their budget actually is about, I think they said £50,000. Yeah, so unlimited drinks. This is like top notch royalty. So we need to bring our A game. Okay. All right then. Bye for now. Bye.
Hello? Oh, Pastor. Don't mention. Yeah, please keep it anonymous, please. Hey, I wanted to ask, what about the building you were proposing to? Yeah, please, you don't need to announce it anonymous. Yeah, that one is covered. What else do you need? What of the choir? Do they need any instruments? Oh, we need. Thank God. Please, anonymous, okay?